You just feel it. You do.
There, partners, it's time for our ruckus ride through the Wild West. So if you're ready to get these critters running, holler yeehaw! Going, holler yeehaw!
It's time for the critters to get going!
Hey there, cowfolk. For those of you standing for the trail ride today, please make sure you stay standing in between two critters facing forward in the direction of travel at all times. This is for your safety and the safety of all the cowfolks riding with you. Thank you.
And Woody ain't the man himself, of course it's time for Woody's found out. He's the very best, he's the rudest, tunest cowboy in the Wild Wild West.
Come on, cowfolks, let's ride. Hurry
Then follow the arrows to the nearest exit gate. The critters and I can't wait to see you again.